Assalamu alaikum. I am Tanzila Khanam and this is Psychology Basics Intermediate Lectures of Psychology. In the previous video, we discussed the changes that take place in physical development of the individual at various stages of his life. Today, we will study the psychological aspect of development and the changes that occur in an individual during its different phases. Psychological development relates to the individual's behavior and personality. In this aspect of development, we study the emotions and feelings of an individual and how they undergo changes and an individual has interaction with his environment and do some different experiences throughout his life. In this context, we study the personality of an individual, his unique traits like whether he is hardworking, unique traits like honesty, pride, sincerity, different traits that an individual exhibits during his life. His different abilities, whether he is hardworking or lazy, or how he can work, as well as his capabilities, that how much caliber he has, as well as we also study the individual's attitudes and opinions about different attitudes and opinions about different objects, about different people and situations. During psychological development, all these aspects are developing and changes as an individual grows. Psychological development enables the individual to become self aware. He knows all about his strengths and weaknesses. Another change that comes as a result of psychological development, that is moral development. The individual differentiates between right and wrong. If we consider its different stages, the first one is childhood. In this period, the child begins to manipulate the environment through symbolic thought and language. They start to know about their emotions that lead to empathy with others. They get a clear self image by the end of this stage. They also know about the moral development, what is right and what is wrong. The next comes the stage of adolescence or teenage. In this period, the individual grows more abilities. He is able to criticize others as well as he can reform himself. He wishes to become independent, tries to be less dependent on parents. His friends attracts more of his focus of attention than his family. Emotionally, he is able to differentiate between different feelings, like he can understand that shyness and embarrassment are two different feelings, which previously he does not know. He cannot differentiate between different emotions and feelings. Next comes the stage of adulthood. This stage is characterized by taking practical measures to fulfill his wishes, needs, desires, etc. In this period, social and family welfare gains much more importance than personal gains. His behavior and his thinking have matured now because of psychological development, and he takes different practical measures to uh, bring some changes in society. For example, he may become a family man. He uh, chooses some career. All these changes are occurring during this period. The last one is old age. In this stage of psychological development, like all other aspects of development, decline can be observed. The older individuals become more dependent on their family. They feel stressed or frustrated on being alone or being retired from their routine duties. Here, they need some psychological support and assistance. Their family and friends and from their family and friends they need some support, and they become satisfied while getting attention from others. So this was an overview of changes that occur due to psychological development. Hope you found it helpful. If so, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.